Hello everyone, very warm welcome. Today I am discussing about how to record your video calls or audio calls, even a WhatsApp call and anything you want to record from your iPhone or Android phone. First of all, I am discussing about how to record your voice calls or video calls from iPhone. The main thing is that you have your own laptop or Wi-Fi enabled computer. After turning on your laptop, turn on your any browser and click here. Then click showmore.com / record WhatsApp video call HTML. Now the website is open. Scroll down your website, your page. You can see this box is download and download the software that will assist you for recording. Now recording is shown in the idiom. Now the software is downloaded. Open the folder where the downloaded software is available. Now you can see iPhone iPad Recorder 2 is available. That is already downloaded. Click here to download. Click here to install. And now select your language as you want. Okay. Click next. I accept the agreement or I do not accept the agreement. Click I accept the agreement and then click to the next button. And now it is installing. Launch APO, finish. You can see here A-Power software iPhone recorded, and after clicking that, new windows open. Now you are seeing buy now, evaluate. If you have NAT registration key, then evaluate this version. In this version, you can only record your data just for 3 minutes. Click here and go to the option. Then here you can see video quality as you want, 720 pixel and so on. MP4 is your format. Standard is your video quality. Audio input, that is main thing you have to watch. Click OK. Now the next step is that go to your iPhone and click recording. After this, you can see screen mirroring. Click here and then it shown A-Power Soft as Ibrar CH, that is my laptop name. Remember that you both have same IP version, same IP or same Wi-Fi address. Now my iPhone mirror is shown. You can see here. After that, you can see each and everything is displayed as I am scrolling to my iPhone. Now click on WhatsApp and call to your loved one or any person you want to talk. Click here. And now there is calling. Record this icon and go to the evaluate. Now you are seeing that recording is started. 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds and so on. When you finish your call, click here to stop your recording. Now your recording is stopped and it is saved here. You can explore this. You can see this setting